Hello guys, this is Susmita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you step by step makeover. So let's get into this video. Today I took Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Honey. So I'll apply it dot wise on my face and then blend it with a wet beauty sponge. Before this foundation, I have applied moisturizer and sunscreen, even a toner before moisturizer. Now taking NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette in the shade Deep, that is suitable for dusky skin. This palette consists of 2 contour shades, 2 concealer shades and 1 orange corrector and an yellow corrector. So first I am applying this concealer underneath my eyes in an inverted triangle and on my forehead also the same way. On the bridge of my nose I have to apply, and on cupid bone and on the chin you have to apply it in an inverted triangle type pattern. Now I am taking the dark brown shade from the same palette and I am applying it where I need to contour, like I want my cheeks to look like uplifted, and I am contouring my nose, and I'll also contour my near the hairline, and also I'll apply it on the jawbone, like I want my face to look sharp, like my jaw to look sharp, so I'm applying it even there. Now I will blend the concealer with this brush. Now I will blend this dark brown shade with an angular brush by giving upward strokes. taking Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 235 Pure Beige, and I'm dabbing it all over my face where I tend to get more oily, and then also on the concealer parts because they tend to settle in fine lines if I don't do that. Now I'm taking the puff which I got with Fit Me Compact, and then I'm just taking that powder onto it, and I'm sharpening my edges below the contour shade so that your face will look very sharp. Your jawline also will look sharp, like it defines your face. For eyeshadow, I took Makeup Revolution Neutrals palette, that is reloaded Neutrals palette, and I'm taking the dark brown matte shade and I'm applying it on my crease. So just look at how I'm applying, and it's easy. So just give an outer V shape and apply it on the outer corners. Do concentrate the shade. Next, I'm taking the darkest shade in that palette and applying it with other brush that is not too fluffy. So I'm concentrating in outer corners this shade and also on the eyelid. For shimmer, I have taken Makeup Revolution Foil Frenzy palette and I have chosen golden shade because my dress color is green and gold. So I have taken it, and if it settle into your lines on your eyes, then you can use a serum and mix it with this shade. Then you can apply it. It will look very nice when you take serum and just apply it, and then just blend all the shades together. Taking concealer on a thin brush, and I'm just defining my eyebrows, and also I'm just giving the shape to the eyeshadow which I applied. Applying the darkish pink shade under my waterline. So please don't forget this step. It will look very nice if you apply this below your waterline. Now I'm taking Lakme 925 liner. I love this liner because it's very dark black and matte, but it's not waterproof and smudge proof. So you can take any eyeliner you wish, you can apply it, but just apply thickly so that it will appear very nicely when you put on your eyelashes like falsies. So this liner takes time to dry. Next I am taking mascara, that is Maybelline waterproof mascara, and just applying on the upper lashes lightly and on the bottom lashes thickly, so that because I'll apply falsies, so just concentrate on your bottom lashes. So now warm your lash curler with your hot air from your mouth, or else you can even heat it with a lighter and then curl your lashes, because they stay curly for a long time when you heat the eyelash curler. So next I'll apply falsies which I bought from Shein. I love these lashes. I love lashes which I bring from Shein, which I get from Shein. But I don't like those pack lashes. These lashes are better than pack and all because these lashes can be reusable many times, but pack lashes I just used 3 or 4 times and those, like, no, they are waste. They are dumped into the bin now. Now taking some highlighter and I'm applying on my brow bone and inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution blush palette and I'm just mixing all the blush shades and I'm applying on my cheekbones. Actually I already applied on my cheekbones, but what happened is my phone camera didn't work and that video didn't get recorded, so that was a problem in between. I'm sorry for that. Next I'm using the highlighter, golden highlighter. You can use any golden highlighter. Sorry guys, I'm not mentioning the product names. I'll be mentioning it in the description box. Please check the description below. For eyebrows, I'm using the Sephora brow powder. You can use any brow powder or brow gel or brow pencil as your wish, but don't uh, take the shade which is very darker than your eyebrows, because those look very dramatic and they look like you're wearing really something very dark, so they won't look natural. And I'm just using the spoolie and I'm just taking off the excess brow powder. Next, applying Miss Claire lip cream on my lips. I didn't use a makeup fixer in this, but I will be showing the photo when I sprayed on my face after this one. I used Faces Canada makeup fixer and I look like this. So flawless, right? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.